Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Twitter on phone. Make sure you watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. Begin by opening your Play Store. Then tap on the search bar. Type in Twitter application and perform your search. Tap on the X application. Then tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. It will take a while to download the app. Once the application is installed, tap Open to launch the app. And this is how you can download Twitter on phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too, so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.